Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock Pot Hotspot Zombie in Brain Rot Zombie Evolution. I'm level 1 right now, I just joined. But basically just enable auto attack and you're just going to defeat you're going to hit the plants first before trying to hit the monsters because they are a level above you guys and it's going to be a little bit hard to defeat them. And then you're just going to do that until you've reached a certain level. Then you're able to leave this to go to Sour Peak. I don't know. You'll need to be level 8 though. I'm still level 2. But once you've reached level 35, I think, is when you're able to get the Pot Hotspot Zombie and Brain Rot Zombie Evolution. So don't try to defeat this yet because you're going to die, as you can see. But basically, you're just going to level up first. What's going on? Okay, anyways, that is it. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm a little bit lagging. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.